Number one questions. Explain the number one goals of United Nations. The number one goals of United Nations is maintain world peace. United Nations wants to maintain world peace for their world and to become successful organizations. Number two, what is the function of the Security Council peacemaking? To take enforcement measures to maintain or restore international peace and security. And number three question is, what is the goal of United Nations Children Fund? The goal is to help children in the US to have educations, to have a good health for every children who needs a lot, who needs help a lot. What is the functions of the North Treaty Atlantic Organization? The purpose is to guarantee the freedom and security of its members through political and military means. That's all. Thank you.